learned how to make people big and small. Looking at my finished videos and pictures. Holding the camera still. Take a good photo. Photo is what we like doing in room 10. It's doing the writing in the kids' conference.
How to program it. And to make it do a full circle, you put the number as a 1. To make it do 2 circles, you put the number 2. And to make it a half circle, you do 0.5.
So you get some decimals.
Programming it because you've got to see if it did the right thing or not.
And pushing buttons.
Trying to get it go straight and like turning how you want it to.
Is he a good teacher?
Pretty good teacher. We got it right.
I learned how to make a parallel circuit. Trying to think of a picture to make which a light glows in. I'm getting the copper tape straight so the light doesn't flicker.
Code, animals, people, and lots of other things. Our parents came in and we got to teach them how to code. Coding and finding all the different things for it.
Make it move around? Yeah, no. That's cool.
How to code things to move around. When we got to use the VR goggles. Dragging the coding things, because sometimes they didn't work.
And we just did
Electrical circuits, the earth needed to be clipped to the tinfoil ring that you wore. It was really fun, and you got to play it. You got to play the song you chose, clipping on them to make the notes.
Well, we learned how to 3D print and we learned how to measure and learn all the skills of doing it.
The funnest part was definitely watching it 3D print and watching it in action. Probably getting the measurements right because it's different to reality and it's on millimetres, not centimetres.
So as you can see with our fan, we've got some batteries and some motors and some switches. So when I push this button, it turns on and it's actually working. And then when I click it again, it turns off. And like that.
And it moves them like that. You have to work as a team and make sure all the wires and electrical tape and stuff connects, otherwise it won't work. Probably like testing it out and like picking up stuff with the cardboard hands and hot gluing as well. The finger loops on the hands because they were so hard because we had fishing wire, and then on the fan it was really hard the bits when you had to make the wire connect into the little loops on the battery holder.
The burger server, it goes forward, turns into it, picks it up, turns down and drops it off.
So I learned how to computational thinking to solve a problem without following any instructions and building getting our robot that we built with no instructions to go forward, turn, with the robot hand, pick it up, and then come back and drop it off. The hardware on our burger server, because it was hard, otherwise it would go tip forward if there was too much weight there. Yeah, and there was no instructions to follow, so you have to use a lot of computational thinking to do that.